Okay, let me set up first, yeah? Okay. Okay, this is a charger. Don't charge when using. Okay, and then there is a lock adapter. So you, based on the environment or country, you change the switch mode lah, the adapter here.
Okay.
Okay. You know how to switch, isn't it?
Okay.
Okay.
Today demo one item only.
Both.
Oh, this one as well.
Yeah,
Oh.
both. Okay. This is a grounding plug. Grounding plug. Yeah. When you do a measurement, must be ground, everything.
Any point you do lah.
Yeah. In the grounding, you see the grounding symbol.
Oh.
Okay, so we still need to wait for the others or straight
Yeah.
away?
Okay, three of us.
Three of us. Okay. So this is the silicone. Okay, just for your information, this is the silicone pin. It's it's more accurate compared to the normal pin. And then this is the maybe I think it's the adjuster. Okay. Okay. For example.
All this is metal.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, this is silicone.
Silicone.
Yeah, silicone.
Oh, okay.
It's
It's
more
lighter.
accurate. Yeah.
Silicone is more accurate.
Yeah, compared to the normal pin. This one more is the metal. It's not a metal. It's something like
Chrome? No.
copper.
Copper.
Copper. Huh. Okay. So how to plug the pin? Like for example, so you put the needle through the adapter and then you just screw it. Okay, screw it and then until certain energy, you just apply a small energy to it. And then like this.
The needle can break. Easily break.
It's not easy lah, but unless you are maybe not off, something like that, not off, then it will break easily.
Handle with care. Is it?
Yeah, you have to. This one is very expensive, so have to handle it very carefully lah. So this one is a off button, on-off button, and then this is the charger plug. Charger plug here. All right. So when the battery low, it will blink here.
Okay.
The display will blink here. Okay. First thing, you switch on first, and then you must do zeroize. How to zeroize? Everything grounding, all the connection you are plugged in properly, then you do a zeroize using this. Okay, now you zeroize. If let's say no zeroize, then you have to switch this. Just for example.
Turn.
Yeah, have to turn, for example. See?
Oh, turn until it's zero.
Yeah, turn until adjust it until it is zeroized. Then can check for the test lead already. So how to check the test lead? For example, you have any? Okay, for example, this one. I don't have a sample, so maybe you can test it in your production line. So maybe if let's say for example this is a test lead, you just pinpoint. See? So this is so-called isolated conductor. So normally isolated conductor must be less than 35 volts, but depends on the customer spec. So this is a insulative material, high charge. So this meter only can measure up to maximum 500 volt.
Needle. This needle. 500.
This meter.
This
Oh,
meter.
okay, meter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't try to measure like more than 1,000 or 100,000, 10,000 volt. It will maybe sooner or later will inaccurate, and then maybe sooner or later will spoil or what. I'm not sure lah. But maximum try to control less than 500. But this meter is very accurate in terms of measuring the very low charge. Even 1 volt on the test lead. It's very sensitive part, especially this needle. Okay, so it's quite straightforward. And then whenever you are finished, okay, you want to do the other testing, intermediate check. See, we have to
Must
switch
set
again,
zero, okay.
geolize. So far, okay, straightforward for this one. So when you charging, don't try to turn it on. When charged, don't try to turn on. Okay? It will spoil also. Try to take care of it. Take it care very. Take it care.
What's the difference between silicone needle and also this one?
Only the accuracy matter.
How about
It will
the-
capture the reading is very accurate, like very needle. If let's say maybe plus minus, the accuracy is in 1 volt.
Okay.
The accuracy, the tolerance.
How about the short one?
Oh.
The shorter, okay, normally the long needle is measuring the maybe test lead is right beneath the circuit board. Because certain circuit board there is a 2 or 3 layer
Okay.
or few layer you have to pinpoint inside the needle.
Okay.
So this one short almost the same. Actually it's the same. There's 2 sides for you lah. So don't lose it. Okay, any other question for this? Very straightforward. And then whenever you start to use it, then you have to intermediate check. Zero rise. Intermediate check. Okay? And then there is no compulsory, this unit have to sign up for calibration. There is no compulsory or any standard to mention lah. But we normally recommend